Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the part 2 of making stir-fry beef rice noodles. In last video, I demonstrated how to make flat rice noodles from rice flour. And in this video, I'm going to share my favorite stir-fry beef noodles recipe. 乾炒牛河 stir-fry beef rice noodles is a famous and popular Cantonese cuisine. You should be able to find it at all the Hong Kong and Cantonese-style restaurants. It is one of my favorites too. Now let me share this recipe with you. We need 130 gram beef. Cut the beef against the grain to thin slices. The first slice was too thick, so I cut it thinner on the second slice. This is perfect. Marinate the beef with 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, a little bit white pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon oil. Mix all the seasonings with the beef thoroughly, then put aside waiting for cooking. We also need a handful of bean sprouts, half an onion. Slice it first and then separate the layers. Few straws of green onions cut to about 5 cm long. Finally, we need to prepare a simple sauce. 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, a little bit white pepper powder, half teaspoon sugar, and 30 ml water. Now we can start cooking. A few sprays of oil on the hot pan. Saute the bean sprout for around 30 seconds. Then put the onion in. Add a little bit salt. Then saute until the fragrance of the onion slightly released. Put them on the plate for next step. Now we cook the beef. Half a tablespoon of oil. Pan fry the beef until both sides lightly brown. Finally, give the beef a few toasts, then remove it to the plate. Use the same hot pan to heat up the rice noodles. We just need a few toasts to heat up the rice noodles. Then put the beef, bean sprout, onion, and the sauces in. After a few toasts, I realized that the color is not dark enough. Therefore, I added another teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Now the color looks a lot better, as you can see. After all the ingredients mix well with the rice noodles, we can put the final ingredient, green onions, in. Give it a few toasts, then final tasting. You can add more salt if needed. Turn the heat off. Mix the additional salt with the rice noodles, then it is done. Do they look delicious? The beef is juicy and tender, and the rice noodles are soft, chewy, and with a touch of rice fragrance. This recipe is simple and easy to follow. Give it a try, and I hope you will like it too. Okay, thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!